Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Huzaifa Haseen. Welcome to my channel, Abu Huzaifa Haseen. Don't forget to subscribe.
In this video on the power of emotional intelligence, we begin with a compelling quote about the transformative impact of understanding emotions. The opening sequence features a dynamic montage of diverse individuals, experiencing and expressing a wide range of emotions in different contexts, workplaces, homes, and social settings. We then transition to interviews with experts, including psychologists and business leaders, who break down the 5 key components of emotional intelligence: self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, and social skills. Bring these concepts to life. We incorporate dramatized scenarios showing both the consequences of poor emotional intelligence and the benefits of mastering it. Throughout the video, use engaging animations and text overlays to highlight important statistics and research findings that emphasize the advantages of high emotional intelligence, such as better mental health, enhanced leadership abilities, and stronger interpersonal relationships. Personal stories and testimonials are interspersed, featuring individuals who share how improving their emotional intelligence has led to significant positive changes in their lives. The background score is carefully selected to match the video's emotional journey, starting with a reflective tone and gradually building to an inspiring crescendo. As we progress, infographics and visual aids simplify complex ideas, making the content more accessible. In the closing segment, offer practical tips and actionable strategies for viewers to develop their own emotional intelligence, coupled with a motivational call to action encouraging viewers to reflect on their emotional habits and seek further learning, and with a powerful visual summary and an invitation to explore additional resources, leaving viewers inspired and equipped to harness the power of emotional intelligence in their daily lives. Thank you so much.